So let's look at the main part of today's lesson. So we've got the pictogram here. We've got the key where 1 chicken is 10 chickens. So first question, how many chickens were seen on Wednesday? So we need to look down. Wednesday we've got 1, 2, 3 chickens. But they're not just 1 chicken, it's 10 chickens. So we're counting tens, 10, 20, 30. Chickens. How many chickens were seen on Thursday? We've got 2 chickens, 2 times 10, 20. How many more chickens were seen on Wednesday than Tuesday? So these are the sort of key questions that will be asked. So how many more chickens will seen, or what's the difference between? So it's looking at, for example, 2 days in this instance, and what's the difference between them. So on Wednesday, okay, we have 30 chickens. On Tuesday, we have 10 chickens. If I take away 10 from each, I will have the difference. 30 take away 10 equals 20. So here it is. How many more chickens were seen on Wednesday and Tuesday? We've got 3 and 1, so 30 and 10. 30 chickens were seen on Wednesday, 10 chickens were seen on Tuesday. 30 take away 10 is 20. 20 more chickens were seen on Wednesday than Tuesday. I can use the pictogram to compare. So they've both got the same there. This is the difference. 10, 20. So we haven't even needed to add up. We haven't even needed to take away. We've literally just seen what they've both got the same as. For example, if Tuesday had another chicken there, we put the line down here, and the difference would be just 10. Okay, so we have another pictogram here. Each ball in the key is 2 goals. So looking here, I scored 3. That's the most goals. Is that correct? Remember, score 3 goals. If you scored 3 goals, it would be 1 and then a half. These 3 here represent 2, so it would be 2, 4, 6. So this one is wrong. Mo scored 4 goals. Remember, these represent 2, 2, 4. That's correct. Mo scored 1 more goal than Whitney. So Mo got 2, 4. Whitney got 2. 4 take away 2 equals 2. So this one isn't right. 16 goals were scored altogether. I know this because there are 8 balls and each ball is worth 2 goals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8 balls. Represent 2 goals. 8 times 2 is 16, so this is correct. Okay, so we have 2 people, Rosie and Teddy, and they've got red and green balloons. The key, 5 balloons. 1 balloon equals 5 balloons. So the first question is, how many red balloons are there altogether? We've got 1, 2, 3. Each one is worth 5, so let's count in 5s. 5, 10, 15. How many more balloons does Rosie have than Teddy? So we have to count how many Rosie has, how many does Teddy have? Rosie has 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Teddy has 10. 5, 10. 25 take away 10 equals 15. So our answer there is also 15. What is the difference between Teddy's red and green balloons? Look at Teddy's. He's got 1 each. Because there's one each, there is no difference, so the answer is 0. Have a go at the questions now.